Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick look at how to get to the information that your Google Home or Google Home Mini has about you, or actually what Google keeps about you as you issue commands to your assistant. Now, Google Home and Google Home Mini are great devices. They're fun to use. I have a Google Home Mini here. I find it a lot of fun. If you have a Chromecast, even better, because together they work well, and you can view videos on your Chromecast and stuff like that. It's really nice. But there is, of course, always a concern when we use the Google in any assistant. It's not just a Google one, every assistant. I'm going to show you where to go to see all the commands and all the voice, because Google keeps all of your little voice clips of all the commands that you issued, and you can see all of that in your account. How do you go about? Simply go to your Gmail account that you use for the purpose. So for example, here, as an example, I will use this one because this is where it's in English, so it's easier, even though it's not the one that I use, but you will know where to go anyways. So click on the icon on the Google page. You're gonna have your little icon on the upper right corner. Click there and go to Google account. You might be prompted to actually go into your Google account and enter your password. Now in here you will have all the things that is happening with you. In personal info and privacy, one of the things you want to see is manage your Google activity. And here you will go to my activity. In here you will have all the information and the stuff, but one of them will be called audio. I don't have it here, but if you have a Google Home and a Google Home Mini, you will see audio. And I'll show you with another account, the one that's my main account that I use. It's in French, unfortunately, but I will go to the same settings. So I will go to my activity in French. I will go to see my activity, and in here I will have an option that's called voice. In French it's called or audio. So here we go. This one is on the right side here. When I click here, I have what I said to my Google Home Mini. So here, for example, I said, play That Was Yesterday by Foreigner. Play Only the Lonely by the Motels. You can even listen to that command being issued by clicking the play button on the right side. So here's what it captured. And you have all of that activity for what's happening. For example, I often turn on or shut down my TV using it. Look at that. Shut down TV, turn on TV, turn on TV. And all the clips, all the audio clips are there. So if you want, you can also click the little three dots here and you can remove the audio clips. So if you ever had some audio clips and some stuff that you said, you can actually go the little three dots on the other corner and click delete button. This will delete what's happening. So it's the same, it's just that my page is in French. I'm sorry about that, but that's where it all happens, and you can actually delete all of your activity, all the information it knows about you by clicking the upper three dots and clicking the delete button, and it's going to tell you. Of course, you've got everything in here, so whatever you've done, for example with Android, you will see all the information that Google actually knows about you, about everything. So you can go through that activity. You might be surprised at everything that Google actually records from you in this information. So even if you don't have a Google Home Mini, go and check your activity. You might be surprised what's in there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.